in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to customize the Brave web browser's new tab page. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is open up Brave and select the hamburger menu icon up at the top right, and then go down and select the settings gear button near the bottom of this menu. And now on the right side, you want to scroll down underneath the new tab page category, and where it says new tab page shows, click the drop down and you can select either the dashboard, home page, or blank page, whatever you want your preference to be. And you can also customize it further by selecting the customize new tab page button underneath of that. And this way you can actually go about modifying background images as well as sponsored images if you want to have them on or off. You can change the background color as well. You can enable certain Brave stats to appear on like such on the top. Certain top sites, if you want to have news appear, you can have that show up as well if you want to turn on Brave News. So you have a variety of different options. You could have the clock turn on as well. And like I said, you can even have a search bar if you want to change the search engine that'll show up on the new tab page. If you want to have Brave, Google, DuckDuckGo, Bing, or any other ones there, you can customize them, have as many or as few as you want. So a lot of really great customizations here you can play around with. And then, like I said, it's pretty much all you have to do. Just kind of go through the settings here as you want. But like I said, that's pretty much it. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.